Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes quick and easy step by step. Whisk flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar in a bowl, then mix milk, egg, and melted butter until smooth. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat, grease lightly, pour 1/4 cup batter for each pancake, cook until bubbles form and edges set, flip once, cook briefly, and serve warm with your favorite toppings. Start by sifting dry ingredients, then gently fold wet ingredients to avoid overworking the batter and keep pancakes fluffy. Let the batter rest for 5 minutes so baking powder activates and air bubbles form. Use a ladle or 1/4 cup measuring cup to portion batter, spacing pancakes 2 inches apart, and adjust heat if pancakes brown too fast. This keeps centers tender and edges golden. Serve immediately or keep warm in a 200 degrees F oven until ready to eat. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss simple recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: books Read Anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a great companion for breakfast time reads or recipe books. Check the description for the link and other deals and support the channel if you enjoy these videos. It also makes a thoughtful gift for friends who love easy weekend breakfasts. Now let's get back to the video. Choose quick toppings like maple syrup, fresh berries, or yogurt to finish pancakes without extra prep. For a protein boost, stir in protein powder or add sliced bananas and nuts for texture. To save time, make batter ahead and store in the fridge up to 24 hours, or cook a batch and freeze pancakes separated by parchment. Reheat in a toaster or oven for best texture and flavor. This method keeps pancakes tasting fresh and saves busy morning minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.